up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. Guys, if you're a fan of Mopar, you definitely should check out the show. It's just a different breed, is what the youngins would say. It's totally different. It's not like a normal car show. There's a lot of families here. There's people here. The vibe is nice and chill. You can look at cars. The only thing I would probably say that I don't like is the owners bring their cars here and they display them, but when you get close to them, they kind of like look down at you. And I've had a couple people talk to me and say, hey, please don't touch. And I wasn't touching the cars. That's the only thing. I've only found that with Mopar owners. I'm not trying to pick on them because I own one and I understand the passion. But they're so passionate that they don't want the babies to get hurt. And I get it. But that's the only downfall I would say. I mean, people are nice here. The owners are nice, but the show's great. I didn't even check out the parts yet. We were just in here all day picking the cars. We're going to go one more swoop around, and then we're going to go ahead and look at the vendors to kind of see what's for sale as far as parts. And this is just the old school cars. In the back, you have all the new Challengers, all the new Chargers, all the Hemi stuff, all the newer stuff, and the younger guys are back there. So it's a good diverse show that has a bunch of stuff for young people, old people. Doesn't matter your age group. But if you are coming, you got to book in advance to hotels because hotels around here are completely booked. Guys, take a look at this Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird. And I understand why he did it, but look at this. It's got a 5.0 Ford Coyote in it. We went with Coyote to match the Coyote, but to me it's blasphemy. I'm not a fan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I understand why he did it or she did it, but I don't agree with it. Some GTXs over here, more Roadrunners. Show is popping today. We're here in Carlisle at the Mopar show. If you haven't been, you need to check it out. I'm not trying to narrate this whole thing for you guys. Just want you to enjoy the scene. First person point of view like you're here. Tons of vendors, tons of cars. Not a whole lot of cars for sale. That's one of the things, but being in the business I learned, Mopar guys, they don't sell their cars, and when they do sell them, they're expensive. They will not cut many deals unless you know them. You gotta know somebody that knows somebody to get in with these guys. Mopar people are freaks in a good way. My dad was a Mopar guy. My uncles, I grew up Mopar in my blood. And as I got older, I got in the business. I started selling a lot of Fords, and I was attracted to the Mustangs because a lot of my clients are. But I still have Mopar in my blood, and when you have one you love, you don't sell it. Look at this Hemi over here, little GTX Hemi. This is a nice car. Yeah, interior. Nice car was done right.
What's that? Yeah. This car, like I met the guy. He kind of like.
He's telling the story of the car.
I came up, I went to see him. It was all during the pandemic stuff, and I said like, okay, I'll take it. He said, you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna do it.
And he's telling how he bought the car, and the guy didn't even want to sell it. Again, goes back with the theme. They don't like to sell. That takes me to, if you have a Mopar and you want to sell it, give me a call, 215-801-9493, or go on our website, Bob Evans Classics. I'm always buying classic cars all over the U.S. I'm particularly looking for barn finds or stuff that's not advertised. I'm not looking for a car that's top dollar, that's advertised full retail. I'm looking for a car sitting in the garage I can get a good price on and make profit. I'm just looking at you. I'm not looking to steal them either. I'll pay fair. More Belvederes over here. Here we go, we got some Chargers over here.
So far, I'm going strong on my knees.
This is nice. Clean, blue on blue, 70 RT, 440 Magnum in it. These Chargers were affordable for a while, and now Vin Diesel pretty much made these things unattainable. I really don't buy them and sell them for profit. People do not want to sell them.
There's that 460.
I don't want to get in your way. Hi. Back in the day. Yeah. So we do it like that kind of stuff.
That was Arizona. Yeah. So it's like, the interior is really baked. It's hot and dry.
Yeah.
So,
Wow, get the hell out. And
Yeah.
how did you
Looks gorgeous.
yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool.
And it shipped in here.
all the way back to the main road?
Survivor.
Yes. Yeah, I've never seen that car forever. Yeah, it's sitting outside. Yep. I saw it about 3 years ago. Yep. Get out 81? Yeah, that's all of a sudden we get over here to the other activities. All this stuff back up. He's the one that's got that. Give me a second. Here. Once you clear that.
TV.
That's like every year I see that one. Yeah, and they were like that. You know, they none of them.
No, thank you.
I took all the front EV.
Got it. Nice.
And another one was the runner.
With that one? Oh, right, cheese.
Mom, look at that one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
With a Ford motor.
That's funny. That's cool. Coyote Duster.
So yeah, just
350 beat my buddy's 396. I swear to God. Damn, 396 is
Alright, so this is a real street shootout.
I'll be amazed.
This is given away as a prize, I believe.
No, he only tried to approach one and then he went,